Hi guys, it's Kennedy from Our Friendly World, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip for stuffing small pieces for when you're making crochet stuffed animals or amigurumi. I have two small pieces here. You can see they'll eventually become the front legs of my Dalmatian pattern, and they're kind of skinny. They're only 9 stitches in the round at the top or all the way up through the leg, so I'm just going to show you a quick tip for stuffing those. Today I'm using recycled polyester fiber fill. I do often use organic cotton as well. This system should work with any type of stuffing. So what I'll actually do, I want to get stuffing all the way down into the foot here. I'm going to take off just a little bunch and try to stuff it in the top if you can at least get it started. And then the best trick for making this work is to use the handle end of your crochet hook and gently just start to use that to push stuffing into the small piece that you have crocheted. So now in there the stuffing has become more of a little ball, and I'm shoving it all the way down there into the foot, and I will just keep doing that same process. You sort of just have to work it little bits at a time and hold on to the piece because it can tend to get all scrunched up, but if you're holding on to it, it should stay solid enough for you to push some stuffing into. So you'll just continue that process. And once it's all stuffed, you can sort of push it around in there to make sure your piece gets to the right shape that you need. This is really useful on stuffed animals for feet and legs and tails and other small parts like that. I hope that this helped you guys out today. Just a quick little tip. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.